Hello everyone, welcome back to Frosty Treasure. Today I'm gonna unbox a big one from China. As you can see, there are so many items on my table. Let's start it. Okay, before we go in for the 118, let's start with the small one. Oh, this box contains the accessory for my new workshop. I'm gonna extend a shared workshop beside my Frosty showroom. That's why I ordered some accessories for the shared workshop. As you see, the car carrier beside me is a Hino truck with a shared decals. And in my photo on the Facebook page, you will see a car lift with a shared decals. Now I'm gonna show the accessories one by one. The first one is the crushing signboard for the wet floor. You can use in your workshop as the diorama. You can keep like this, and this is fully functional signboard. Let me show you the second bag. This one contains some workshop tools like screwdriver, drilling machine. I'm gonna show you some details. Oh, this one comes with metal. At first, I think it comes with 3D printed resin or something, but actually it came with the metal, made of metals. Every tool's made of metals, and very good quality and fair price. Okay, let's go for the third one. I'm sure this one is 3D printed resin material. Okay, let me open first. Okay, and this one is the meshing for car alignment. Okay, let me open and let me show you some details. Okay, here we go. We got the car alignment machine fully functional. It got a monitor like this. Even the monitor quality is not really good. This is fully function, and don't worry, we can make the better quality screen by printing another good quality photo paper. So let's keep the accessory, and we will go for the next. Let's go for the second batch. I'm sure those boxes are for the stick figures, the Top Gear stick driver figures. Let me open the small one first. Okay, got it. I think this one is a copy version of some figure, the stick razor in female version. I've never seen this figure in other official brand like Scale Figure or other brand. So this one may be a copy version, or a designer just draw the 3D file and just print it. So the resin fully painted figure like this, but the painting quality is not really good, and the skin tone is not really good. But for the figure with the fair price, this one is really good for the photo shooting, and the care pose is really good. Okay, let's go for the next stick figure. Even they told me this one is the official scale figure. I don't think so, because as you see, the packaging is not really good, and I'm gonna show some details of the figure. I think this one is not the official scale figure, because most of the scale figure came with the box with scale figure logo and the postcard, but the figure painting quality is not really bad. I'm gonna show you. You can see the stick logo on the belt. By comparing with the low quality figure, this one is a little bit heavier in overall weight, and the painting quality is way better than the female version of stick figure. Now it is time for the big ones. I'm gonna show you 118 models. The first one is the lowest price and lowest detail. This one is 1965 Chevy Cobra, which is driven by Elvis Presley in Spin Out movie. As you all know, I collect white cars and figure and I already got Elvis Presley figure in 118. So I browsed on the internet about the list of white cars for Elvis Presley. Then I found out this car. When I found out this one on the internet for the rear car, I'm really excited to find 118 model cars because I'm a big fan of Carol Chevy and Chevy Cobra's car, and I'm really love my Elvis Presley figure. So I'm really excited to collect the cars and the Elvis Presley figure together. Finally, I got this car with fair price from China. Let me show you the details of the car real quick. This one got only small windshield on the driver's seat, so this one must be the first generation of Cobra. I will show more details of this car on full review video. In this video, I have to show 3 more 118 cars. So let's go for the next one. The second 118 is Lotus A6S from AutoAd in white color. Let me open the box first. Here we go. I'm not gonna remove the screw and show the details. This one is also brand new and everything is sealed, like engine bay, the doors and everything is sealed. So I will not remove the screw and the seal. I will show more details in my full review video. Before I go for this Bugatti Veyron, let me show you the tow truck first. I think you guys already know this one. This one is Shell-Team Hino 300 truck produced by Tiny brand. Let me show you some details. Firstly, we will see a manual book about the towing function and other function of the motor car like this. There is a small bag together with the book, including a spare wheel and the wind mirror. I think I have to put the wind mirror by myself because they want to prevent the damage on the delivery. That's why they didn't put the wind mirror on the car. Okay, now it is time for the car. Here is the big one. Oh, unfortunately, the emergency light is broken, but I can glue back on the light circuit board like this. And luckily, it didn't broken into 2 parts. Okay, let me show you the car and keep the emergency light. I'm gonna put it back later on. Okay, we got the car and let me show you some details. Start from the front first. There is a Hino and Shell logo on the head of the car. Let me show you the tow function real quick. It is like a rear car. You only need to lift up this door and slide down slowly like this. There is a lock to open the ramp at the back of the car. In the back, except for the ramp and the frame of the emergency light, everything is made of plastic. I'm not really satisfied about that, but the whole head of the car is made of diecast. It is all for now today for this car. I'm gonna show more details on my full review video. Let me go for the last one. Finally, it is time for Bugatti Veyron Super Sport Bar Blanc by AutoAd. Let me open the box first. Here we go. Let's start with the some accessory by AutoAd. Firstly, we will see authentic certificate by Bugatti and the serial number of AutoAd. And there is a small book containing about model of the rear car like this. And I'm gonna show the car now. Firstly, we will see an engine cover separately came like this. Oh, the white color is not a gloss finish. It is a flat white color like this. I didn't know before about this because I didn't read the official description of the AutoAd. And also this one is very old model and so I didn't know. Okay, let's see the Bugatti logo. The Bugatti logo is not an PE like the new model of AutoAd. It is just a 3D and gloss black color like this. I'm gonna show you. Yeah. Okay, let's go for the car. Okay, we got the car. I'm not gonna remove screw and show every details. I'm gonna show quick details like this. On my review video, you will see more details of this car. As you can see, the whole body is flat white color and the black parts are carbon black. I think you cannot see easily because of the reflection. Overall, the car is very beautiful by combining carbon and matte white color. As for me, I feel like I'm very lucky to get this one way under 10,000 from China. So today I'm gonna start the video right now, and I will make full review video of every car I show in this video.